Welcome to the Aftermath. I'm D-Ray. Coming to the stage, y'all. We got a special guest in the house. Please show some love for Truth Hurts, y'all. Give it up for Truth Hurts. My girl.
Yeah. Let me in.
Now see, I try to keep the peace, but your lies is killing me. Your ass is in these streets, on the bogus late night creep. You said it was with your boys, then tried to switch it. Here with the nonsense. I ain't none of these chickens. The truth has come to get you. Pain is about to split you. You done put your hands on me, and Dre's about to get with you. I done messed around and spotted you like you was famous. Now you got that dumb look on your face like what your name is. You know I know what your game is. You done lied to me so much, it's painless. Boy, you took mommy's first seat for granted. Now you're cheating ass is about to be stranded. Most of y'all really can't deal with the truth. Be hating when your woman start hitting you with the truth. Try to turn it all around when you know it's the truth. And you always running away from the truth. You lie till you make yourself think it's the truth. Undress the lie, tell me what you got. Should've been up front and just told the truth. But instead you wanna go and try and hide the truth. Now see, time and time again, you gotten away with murder. If she call here again, then I'ma have to hurt her. The fool that you roll with, he be hitting on me. You so busy partying, you too damn blind to see. You don't think that I know the scheme. You're messing with the intelligence of a wise ghetto queen. Boy, it ain't much you can get past me. I won't leave your ass crying, take it from me. Most of y'all really can't deal with the truth. Hating when your woman start hitting you with the truth. Trying to turn it all around when you know it's the truth. And you always running away from the truth. You lie till you make you so think it's the truth. Undress the lie and what you got. Should've been up front and just told the truth. But instead you wanna go and try and hide the
Mommy, listen up, you got me confused. Told you I was out with my dudes. Then we popped wrist right after we hit the Swiss. And later on that night, you ain't gon' believe it. There was a knock at the door, now check it, I'm about to hip you. The door opens, what, about 10 or 11 strippers. The first thing I did is went into a room to pick up the phone to call you, but no said the liquor. And now I got the hiccup, hands up like a sticker. Gotta come up in here and hear your ass picker. And after all that, what even makes the worst worse? Even though I'm wrong, I admit the truth hurts.
Now, I told you when you first met him, he was filth. Just trash, but you wanted to do the Indian thing, and he's contagious and flipping pages. I look at you. You don't know what to do with yourself.
Sometimes game need to recognize game. That's how I handle mine.
I got game. My man, no, I don't.
Stop tripping, because we
Wait a
don't
minute.
cut in.
I knew it be men all around here. You
This
keep
is the game of sorry. If you say something else to me,
swear,
get back. Don't do it, player.